When making bracha, one's head must be covered. Okay. If one merely places his own hand or his on his head is not considered covered. So just because I go like this, it's not covered. If, however, another person places his hand on his head, so my brother put his hand on my head, right? It's considered covered. If one places his short sleeve, right, over his head, this is also considered to be sufficient head covering. And last one, b'diavad, if one made bracha with his head uncovered, the bracha is valid. So basically, if he said blessing without kippah after the fact, he does not have to repeat. My hand is not considered to be covering because it's a part of me, but my sleeve or my short is not part of me. So I can take any napkin, whatever you want to put on your head, it's going to be considered like head covering. In the case of necessity, I don't know what happened to the guy's kippah. I don't know. So that's it. Okay.